Now this is one of our most loved cars here at Acklam, and we try and always stock 1 or 2 or 3 of these when we can buy the correct ones. And this is certainly one of them. It's a VW Golf R Mark 8, lapis blue. So again, I say it's for me the correct colour for one of these cars, but it's got the right wheels and the right ingredients to make a great car. It's got the 19-inch Estoril wheels in black, which I love. It's got this, the sliding sunroof. It's also got something that I'm using right now, the reversing camera, with also a winter pack which gives it heated front seats. This is a special car because very spec sensitive. These cars on a 72, it's only done 4,000 miles. It's in a wonderful order. It looks fabulous from the exterior. You can see that Golf Mark 8 silhouette with the LED light across the bonnet. The wonderful shape to these new cars. Technology inside is great. And it's 320 brake horsepower, 4Motion, 4.7 seconds 0 to 60. So it has the driving capabilities you'd want from a little hot hatch like this. Probably the best one to buy right now for the money, the Golf R. And this one, as you'd expect, wonderful order all round. Like I say, the correct colour. 4Motion gives you a cracking driving experience, so it performs on every level, from the handling to the grip. And this one has got the key features from the exterior, the wheels. So 19-inch Estoril wheels in black, which I love on this car, with the blue R braking calipers. But let's walk around the front of the car and just have a little look at the silhouette, as I say. So the continuous LED strip under the bonnet with the blue theme going throughout, black sections to the bumpers as well. Signature features on the R, the chrome mirror casings, the black inserts into the wings, and then this one has the tilt and sliding panoramic sunroof, a big feature of any Golf R. To the rear, IQ lights to the front and them IQ lights to the back. This one has the reversing camera, which is lovely, quad tailpipes, and of course it's a Golf, so we have practicality elements with a big boot, through load facility, split folding seats. So it does the practical side of things very well, but it also does the performance thing even better. With 320 brake horsepower, this car is quick, it's agile, it's rigid, and it's lovely condition inside and out. So you'll see the Golf R seats, again, iconic things. The seats are made up of cloth with a crosshatch stitching, and we've got the Alcantara sections, which is very race inspired. Alcantara sections to the doors as well, and you'll notice the ambient lighting, which is switchable going throughout this car. But then jumping in, the key feature, this car has heated seats at the front, which isn't standard. Lovely on a cold day. It also has heated steering wheel, which is standard, with adaptive cruise control. You notice on the steering wheel it's very sporty. We have Golf R mode here, extended paddle shifters, switchable digital interface behind the steering wheel, and a lovely touchscreen operation. Wraparound cockpit almost going round me as a driver sitting in this position. Digital climate control, navigation, Bluetooth, smartphone interface, wireless phone charging down here. And then this cluster of buttons here controls really the screen up here. You've got your driver assistance, your climate control, your main menu for the car, and you can see there, I've had it in reverse camera with top view. Big feature on this car. The next one, probably the biggest, is this panoramic sunroof. Swipe, which I love, not a button, it's actually a swipe with your finger, which closes the roof. Hill assist, electronic park brake, 2 keys, wonderful order, start stop, keyless start. And again, you know, these cars aren't readily available to buy for this price range in this specifications. I think this is a great car for somebody looking for a Mark 8 Golf R of this ilk. My name's Richard, my number's on the screen. I would love to speak to you if you want to speak to me about this Golf. Call me. Thanks for watching.